away from them. Okay, so get our dogs that have black ready and forward. Remember, if you fix your dog in the downstay, we are using that tripod. Please don't bring out more food and lure them to the ground. Black dogs, find a spot and get your dogs in a downstay. So what's up next? All dogs other than the black that are here in the downstay, you're going to get yourselves ready and wheel and mingle throw these dogs in the downstay. Get ready and forward. Find a spot to down your dogs. Get them back in a downstay.
All right, you're going to split it in half. Everything half is going to be next door, and the rest will stay here the same for the next 20 minutes, and then we'll switch again. So I'll take 9 with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you're going to come with Zoe and Jerry, that's you. You come with me.
Okay.
And yeah, it was
And now step out with that left foot, and again we're going to be heeling around the room. Go ahead and step out with the left foot. Good. Praise your dogs as they follow along. All right. So in a moment we're going to jump into that mingle heeling for new dogs. That means we're just going to be mingling throughout the room with our dog in heel position. You want to keep your dog's focus on you, not on the passing dogs that are weaving throughout the room. Watch Feisty in the middle here. One. Okay, so we'll jump into that mingle heeling now. Keep your dog's focus. You can either touch your nose with a treat or help them look.
down. Stay. Here. Place. Stay. Perfect. Here. What's going on? What's going on? By the couch. What we do is once the dog's paws on there, take a treat and we lure her, and when just the two, we stop her with the just say yes and feed. Right? And then we say our release word, okay, let her off. And we go touch. Yes. And she's on there with 2 feet. Yes, good girl. And then you say okay and release her off.
Okay.
When she's doing the big one, you have to try a small one. But do it a few minutes and then get back to the chair. She wants to understand.
Yeah.
You jump up.
Yeah, yeah.
No, but you can't see it.
Just too small.
There it is. Yeah, there it is. You felt it. That's it, Zoe. You can tell them. Good, shit's good. Try the little one. Yeah. The little ones are harder. Yes. That time he was much more focused on where you were. Yep, he didn't even think about the. Get you a long line for next time. So you can do a couple different things if you want. You can sit on this thing so that you'll be in a different posture. You can sit on the couch here if you want. You can hide a little bit around the corner here, and when they fly by looking for you, you can call their name.